Hello, assalamu alaikum, sir. Today I am going to describe single round DES. First of all, I am describing the key generation of algorithm operation. Here I have taken input of 64-bit. Find initial permutation of 64-bit. Now divide 64 but into 2 per 32-bit. Left box 32-bit of right box. Now apply the operation of right box. Apply operation. The permutation of right box is 48-bit and the generated output of expansion box is 48-bit key is XOR. After XOR output is go to else box. Else box convert 48-bit input into 32-bit. 30-bit of S-box output is again permuted. Now permuted the right box of with left box. Step 1 is key transformation. Here the round number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then the key output of compressed permutation and then express the permutation. Here the original write plain text of 32 bits, block 1 4-bit, block 2 4-bit, block 8 4-bit. After that I have just implement the code. So here I am going to describe the how this code is running. So here first of all, so now we'll implement the code in C. So here we have the commented down some S-box permutation, and we will search is for left S-box and right S-box, and then out create some of output. And here every line I have commented down which line is for what. And then first of all we have just finding the key of 48 and then some random value of 56 which is 0 0 and 1 1. After that we'll print the single round DES. After that of 48-bit, and then we'll create as array, sum of array like sum of key like 8 and 8 4, and then we'll again key print the 48-bit, and then we'll again check an initial permutation for initial permutation of a box, and print the left box and print the right box, and then we'll find a final result of array of 8, and then we'll get a final result of key value 8 and the new left box of key value 8. Here we have created a loop until 30, which is in until 30, and then we will print a new as right box, and then we create some function of initial permutation which is input key value of 8 8 and some random values, and then we will get the we will print the print the loop value of 8, and then we'll create a loop of 8, and then create a 64-bit of loop, and then we'll create a switch case loop for finding the initial permutation, and then uh, we'll get a S box of XOR output which is 48 key value. We have created take some random number here and create a for loop for it, and which is 1 to 48, and then we'll just print it and finding the binary output of this, and then converting the values back to binary, storing it output in the array. Then we'll print the binary output of S box, and then we'll again check for 32 for loop, and then 8 for binary output, and then we'll print the binary output from S box again, and then we'll create a for loop for number of 4 till 4, and then we'll get the final permutation which is for S box is 32 key value, and this the number will be 16 70 20 21 and some of random numbers etc. And then 32 of right box final permutation and 32 bit of left box is will be XOR. So we'll apply XOR operation for final permutation and left box initial permutation. So our final result is 32-bit XOR. So thank you, sir. So after splitting, we get our output sum of initial permutation and where some random of plain text of on 4a 70 7 or something, and then we'll get some round 1, round 2, round 3, and we'll get some different kinds of random numbers and some lines, and then this descripting it, here we'll get a ciphertext, and then we'll describe decrypting it and decryption after initial permutation, and then after splitting we'll again get some another round and round some of round and some random of initial word, and then we'll get the final plain text, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 ABCD 1 3 2 2 5 3 6. Thank you.